Hey guys, it's Brandon here. Working on this 95 Jeep again. We are going to replace the coil in this video, and I'll have another video coming out right after. We're going to replace the distributor cap, rotor button, and the ignition pickup. So today we're going to show you what tools you're going to need to replace the coil. Not very much. Here we go. So there's a new ignition coil. We got it from Ultra Power Ignition Coils. It's the company. So you have your wire goes here, that goes to your distributor, and then you have a wire that comes in here for your power and you're gonna have two Phillips head screws that hold this on to the bracket right there and there. So all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver, and let's get going. It's gonna be hard for you to see, but the ignition coil is right down here. Like I said, just two screws. So we'll get to it, pull it out, and I will show you how it works. Alright guys, so there's the old one. It's probably been in here since 95. So we'll put a new one in, and we'll just try to button up all the issues with this Jeep. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and we will come back with working on the distributor cap. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.